Are you watching your hard-earned money slowly drift away, like a tiny astronaut lost in the vast, cold vacuum of, well, spaceship investments? You know, those sleek, app-driven platforms promising easy access to a curated portfolio, a launchpad to financial freedom? Sounds good, right? But what if it's more like a one-way trip to a black hole of fees and underwhelming returns? Let's be honest, the allure is strong. A simplified investment experience, a pre-built portfolio, and the promise of set-and-forget wealth generation. It's appealing, especially if you're new to investing or just plain busy. But here's the thing, sometimes, the best investment is knowing when to pull the plug. Maybe you've noticed your returns aren't exactly stellar. Maybe the fees are starting to feel a little too astronomical. Or perhaps, you've simply realized you want more control over your financial journey. Whatever the reason, you're here because you're wondering, how do I stop this spaceship investment? First, breathe. You're not alone. Many people find themselves in this position. It's not about failure, it's about learning and adapting. So, let's get down to brass tacks. Step 1. Understand your current position. Before you hit the eject button, you need to know exactly what you're dealing with. Log into your Spaceship account and take a good, hard look. What are your current holdings? What's your total investment value? What are the fees you've paid so far? And, crucially, what are the potential exit fees or penalties? Knowing these numbers is essential for making an informed decision. Step 2. Evaluate your investment goals. Why did you start investing in Spaceship in the first place? Did your goals change? Are you still aligned with the portfolio strategy? If your goals have shifted, or if you feel the strategy isn't working for you, it's time to reconsider. Step 3. Consider alternative investment options. Don't just jump from one platform to another without a plan. Explore other investment options that might better suit your needs. This could include low-cost index funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or even individual stocks if you're ready to take on more risk and responsibility. Research different platforms and consider your risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment goals. Step 4. Plan your exit strategy. This is where things get practical. How do you actually stop your Spaceship investment? Start by checking Spaceship's terms and conditions for their withdrawal process. Usually, it involves selling your holdings and transferring the funds to your bank account. Timing is key. Consider the market conditions before selling. Selling during a market downturn could result in losses. Tax implications. Be aware of any potential capital gains taxes when you sell your investments. Fees. Factor in any exit fees or transaction costs associated with selling your holdings. Step 5. Execute and monitor. Once you've planned your exit, execute it carefully. Double-check your withdrawal details and ensure the funds are transferred to the correct account. After the transfer, monitor your bank account to confirm the transaction is complete. Step 6. Learn and adapt. This experience should be a learning opportunity. Reflect on what worked and what didn't. Use this knowledge to make better investment decisions in the future. Remember, investing is a continuous process of learning and adapting. It's important to acknowledge that Spaceship, like any investment platform, has its pros and cons. It can be a good starting point for some investors, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Your financial journey is unique, and you have the right to choose the investment strategy that best suits your needs. And sometimes, that means saying goodbye to a Spaceship investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.